All right, look at this beauty right here, huh? Got to put the exhaust. I should have had put the header already. All right, guys, so Thursday morning, 2 a.m. Got to be at work in a few hours, but still going at it. Okay, what we got here is a version 2 Dtm Dominator Pipe. One of my favorite pipes for Bajas. They just sound so badass and they look badass coming out the back, you know? Yes, there are better pipes out there, but I love this pipe and I'm gonna use this pipe. Yeah, we will be having different exhaust systems on this later on, but this is what I'm gonna start off with. The version 2 has the header separates from the pipe, and you got the spring, and you got this rubber boot, you got this whole kit that comes with it, and the pipe band. Okay, so what we got here is a version 1, version 2. They're both great. They're both good. This one seems a little bit cleaner, neater. All right. And this needs a little work, but she's good. All right. Feels good as well. This tip is slightly shorter, so this stinger here is a little bit longer. That's it. Sorry. Let's do this version 2. Oh shit! All right, so over here at it, working, filing this shit down. Got metal all over the place. I am filing this header as well. See that from this side? I had to. Alright, can't make that much noise, it's very late. Alright. So we got her here. Look at that nice exhaust port. That's how I'm looking at it, see that? With a flashlight you can see better. See that? I want to open that up. I want that exhaust port to breathe well. Alright? So, alright, so over here getting some stuff ready, loosening things back up so I can fit the exhaust your hose on, get it ready. I'm gonna throw a little 3-in-1 in here, lube her up. Alright, you guys know all about that, right? You gotta lube it up before you stick it in, understand? Alright, so look at that. Damn, job's done already? Shit. Alright guys, I had to just bang it out. Alright, and now you see a wheelie bar here, okay? This is a temporary wheelie bar. Alright, I'm tired of looking around for wheelie bars. Eric Marino gave me a super great idea to make one. Alright, out of 2 plastic rail bars. It's awesome, beautiful pictures that he sent me. Great idea. But I'm gonna run this for now because I got 2 of them. Alright, I got 2 of them. I got another one over there, so I have it. I'm gonna run this for now. I really wanted one from Squid RC, right? But he's away. He went on vacation and he wouldn't have them ready for me by the 24th. So, and there was another wheelie bar that I almost got. I forget the name of the place, but my friend Mike, he's gonna be starting up a new company pretty soon, and he's gonna be selling some. And he's actually the guy that told me about this other wheelie bar. I forget the name of the wheelie bar, but it's made out of steel, and it looked pretty cool, pretty nice too. But everything out there is super expensive. There was a couple of wheelie bars that I really loved that are no longer available. There was one from Detroit Performance that I wanted, but it's no longer available. The guy that makes them stopped making them. You know, these guys should just make them, have them available. Because if you don't have them out there, no one's gonna buy it. You gotta have your stuff out there. Yeah, so I got tired of it. Just looking around. I'm done. You know, so this is what I'm gonna be using for now. Okay, it's on here temporarily until something else. Okay, here it is. I decided to keep these dog bones. Anyway, here it is. I put the ones that I sanded down, made them 0 degrees, hopefully ish, best as possible. All right, put everything back on. Here's the other one that I still have to remove. See how it has that? See how over here is thinner than over here? That's just to make this wheel like this more, which is best for off-road. All right, so me, I want to go from like this to straight. All right, that's what I want to do with this. So that's our mission. All right, so we got this one left to do, and here's the other one I sanded down. Okay, so let's pop her out. Let's remove all this. All right, guys, so all good. I got everything 0 degreed out. Okay, got the exhaust. All right, so here's a better look. I think it's too low. Shit, I don't know if I should. That looks badass, by the way. It's gonna be beautiful. Shit's gonna be sick as hell. Anyway, look, let's take a quick look together here, guys. Let's see. Yeah. See, now can you see it? Well, the wheel, I could probably adjust it one more. See that? I could adjust it one more notch. But is it gonna touch the metal? See that? All right, guys, so here it is now. Damn, I love that pipe, how it sticks out like that. Okay, so check out the wheelie bar now. I think this is what I'm gonna use for now. See, it's slightly higher than the wheel, than my hub. So I don't know if that's too much, but that's the lowest that I can go now when this is facing upwards. So it may be good enough, or I may have to put something just a little bit like this, face it down a little bit. All right, I gotta figure something out. And I just don't like the way it springs like that. All right, so I don't know. I gotta figure out something, put a piece of aluminum, something. All right, so I won't be using a Baja fuel tank. I want to go with a Primal RC Dragster fuel tank. It's only 280 cc. All right, I think I may buy another fuel tank like this so I can break in my nitro engines. You know, be quicker instead of keep filling tank after tank. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna look at this, see how this is. All right, I gotta install, they give you a really nice fuel filter. I'm good with this. All right, I'm gonna use this for sure. And the fuel lines seem pretty damn good. I will be using these, yeah. They feel pretty damn good. Okay, so, yeah. We got brackets. I don't know if I'm gonna be using these brackets. I really don't feel like drilling through my carbon fiber chassis. I may use like Velcro or fucking shoe glue. Who knows? Alright, so I took this out, and guess what? There's another freaking fuel filter in here. I guess this is a spare. They give you 2 of them. That's weird. Alright, I'm not used to that. Look at that, look. It's amazing. Always go over your stuff, man. Alright? Because if you would have left this alone, you would have had issues. Okay, this was loose. This washer was flapping around. This stone type fuel filter was all the way up top. So now it's pressed in nicely. See that? Just go over your stuff. Alright, I got that marinating. It's kind of dry. I'm using 25 weight shock oil. It is silicone oil, so silicone is good for your rubbers and shit. So, alright, so I guess I'll save this. That fuel line I'll install afterwards. Let me just try to... Yeah, so I don't know, man. I like these brackets. I should really have them chromed. I definitely will do that sometime in the future. Just because I can. Why not? I don't know if I'm gonna drill through this carbon fiber chassis. All right, I still may put some Velcro. That should be good enough, I think. Or some shoe glue. All right, I don't know. Maybe some Velcro, I don't know. All right, so yeah, here's a 62-1480. All right, so here it is. It's a very nice air filter as well. If this doesn't work for me on my RC here, I can always use this on my motorcycle that I have in Pennsylvania. All right, this will fit right on that carburetor perfectly. All right, so no worries. All right. Oh, she's gonna be nice. You guys know I like the velocity stacks, the AF 311. All right, I think Chris Bartolone is making a new version of that. All right, if you won't see me with off-road running these velocity stacks with no lip, with no wall on here. All right, because you will get dirt behind here. You will get dirt from here. All right, so if we had that wall, that boom, that would hit here, much better from preventing dirt to enter. All right, so we're running drag racing, so I'm not really that too much concerned about that. All right, especially everything going this way. So, all right, yeah. So air filter will work out fine. You know, I gotta put the roll cage still. All right, the fuel tank will fit perfectly. Yeah, so, all right. What's up, Sean? Over here, wrenching away. What time is it, guy?
1:08 a.m.
And I'm fucking shocked, bro. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sean.
To you.
Well, over here, up to the part that I hate the most. Electronics. And especially this remote here. I don't understand shit, but Sean got it under control. And that's it. We did twisted, what is this called? Twisted RC linkage. It was gonna go to my, we're supposed to be using my 5SC, but we're gonna put it on my drag build. And that's it. That's what we're up to now. Trying to dial this shit in. Endpoints and all. Alright.
Okay, come here, look how easy it is. You turn the steering to where you want it.
Right?
When you're at where you want it,
Right.
where 100%, you tap 100.
Really?
So if he was doing this right here, right, he's doing that,
Yeah.
get to 100, you tap it. It locks it in.
Huh. What time you got?
It's 2:05.
Fucking
2:05.
yeah. So once again, my buddy Joe did an awesome job with the chroming. Love it. Team Fat Dad RC looks awesome now. All right, I'm gonna just put this over here. All right, guys, check it out. She is getting there. All right. Just want to give a big thanks to my good friends Gary and Sean. They just left a little while ago. It is very late. Sorry, very early. It is no longer. Look at this guy. Oh. Look at this guy. I should be the one resting, not this guy. This. Yeah, so. Almost 3 a.m. 2:50 a.m. And still at it. All right. running out of time. Still have a lot of stuff to do, believe it or not. All right, I have to adjust. I have to adjust a lot of stuff. Suspension, my toe. All right, I gotta see, these wheels are off. I still may have to possibly remove this damn exhaust again. Put sway bars, not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. I gotta support this wheelie bar. It's not, see how it flexes? That is not good at all. Alright. But anyway, Sean hooked this linkage for me. He did a nice job. He set my remote, which I hate. I hate that shit, but he set it. And that's it. Now I ran my wires like this. It's not that neat, but it'll do. It'll get me going. All right. Put a little on and off switch. Got my LiFe battery here. I'm gonna charge it here. Everything's gonna be here. I will never take this LiFe battery out of here. It's gonna always stay on board. All right, until something happens. That's it. It's a 2200 milliamp 2S LiFe battery. All right. Okay. And yeah, it's all good. So yeah, I can neaten up this wires a little better, but that's good enough. All right. I gotta move on to the next job. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. Until next time. All right. Just in case you want the part number of that LiFe battery, there it is. All right.